This is a Miller Dialarc 250 AC/DC welder. Let's see if we can focus in on this. 901564. This is single phase. It runs at 200, 230, or 460. I have it wired for 230. I think I have it on the lowest amperage here because I just have the wires that I have is small. I'll let you see. Oops, sorry. Wire connections. It's kind of weird. It's got like about a 15-foot ground. There's the ground wire. And then it's got this probably a 30-foot power lead. I got this Tweco gun sitting here with a thing on it. I'm just going to show you its spark, basically. It's sitting on wheels, and it's got these uprights for the things. There's the back of it. Sides. Nice condition. Came out of a motorcycle builder. I don't actually think they were using it. I think they switched to TIG, what he was telling me. But that is the unit. Let me hand the camera over and I'll flip it on. So, like I said, I have it this all the way down. This is on 2, so like I said, it's a little loud, but probably effective. And then I try not to look at this. All right. Good. You can see it sparks. Turn this thing off. Yeah, I was just showing that it does work. It sparks. I just without doing anything, that's about it. But that is the unit. Definitely has to be truck shipped, and like I said, currently wired for 233 phase. If you have any questions, concerns, let me know. Thank you.